Got a 2021 Dodge Charger 392 Hemi Scat Pack in army green. Really beautiful car. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Factory X-Pipe. Then we put two DYNOMAX race bullets in the middle. Part number 24250. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then we left the factory rears there and there and just put them some new tips on it instead. Some black 4.5 inch to complete the look. Give it a nice clean look. He didn't want it too loud, so we hooked them up. There they are. There's the old mids that were in the middle. There's the rears that were on it that we just cut off. Looks a lot better with these black tips. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Check out our merch. Oh man, so much better. Here's sound decibels. Much better. What do you guys think of the sound? That's just with the mids delete. Thank him for his service. He's a firefighter, guys, so we want to thank him for his service too. We really that sounds so good. Let's guys here on the inside. Charger Scat Pack. Look at that idle. Sounds so good.